Hey everybody, John Burrows with AlarmSystemStore.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to Honeywell's Vista series hardwired alarm panels. On our website, www.alarmsystemstore.com, we offer three different models. We have the 15P, the 20P, and the 21IP. Now the programming between these systems is pretty much the same. There are a few differences though. For instance, hardwired zones. On the 15P, you'll start out with 6 hardwired zones on your main control board. The 20P and 21IP, you'll start out with 8. Now you can expand on these systems, hardwired zones, by adding a 4219 zone expander. If you add the 4219 to the Vista 15P, you'll get a maximum of 22 hardwired zones. On the 20P and 21IP, you will get a maximum of 48. Another difference between these systems is the partitioning capability. 15P only has one partition, real simple system. The 20P and 21IP, they offer 2 partitions. And partitioning is basically if you have 2 separate buildings on the same property and you want to arm and disarm and control these separately, you can put one building on partition 1 and the other building on partition 2. It's basically like having 2 alarm systems in one unit. You will need 1 keypad per partition, so keep that in mind. Another difference with these systems, the 20P and the 21IP, same board. The only difference in these systems is that the 21IP has a built-in internet communicator that you can use for central station monitoring service. So that's pretty nifty. If you want to, have monitoring service via internet, that would be the one to go for. These systems, we offer different kits on our website, and the only difference in the kits is basically the peripherals and the keypads that come with them. The main brains are the same. One kit will have a 6160 alphanumeric keypad, another kit will have a 6160 RF, and that's basically a hardwired keypad with a built-in wireless receiver. Another kit will have the 6160V, which is an alphanumeric keypad that will voice announce system status. We also have a 20P kit that features Honeywell's new Tuxedo touchscreen keypad. Really neat keypad. Not only is it touchscreen, easy to maneuver and operate, it has a built-in Z-Wave home automation controller. And it features an Ethernet port where if you hook that to your router and port forward your router, you can remote in and control and access your system. Really neat feature. The kits are a little different, but they're all the same as far as the main brain, as I said. It just depends on what needs you have. Not only are these hardwired systems, but you can turn them into hybrid wired wireless systems. You can add a 5881 wireless receiver, a 5883 transceiver, or the RF series of keypads, and you can use hardwired and wireless. Like say if you've wired everything you needed to wire and you find one place where you just can't run wire to, add a wireless receiver and you can use a wireless door contact, wireless motion sensor, glass break. Very nifty. And these systems are not just for burglary anymore. You can do fire and smoke detection, carbon monoxide detection, flood detection. You can also do and add temperature sensing devices as well. So very versatile, very expandable. They also feature a built-in phone dialer. If you add a phone line into the system, you can have it call out for self-monitoring. It could call your phone. If you want to self-monitor, you can also do it via internet by adding the Invisalink 3 that we have offered on the website, which will give you remote control and access and send you an email or text notification upon alarm events. Now these systems can also be used for central station monitoring service either by landline telephone line, GSM cellular, or internet. So you can have monitoring service. Now if you have a GSM cell communicator or an internet communicator, you can also get Total Connect monitoring service, which is Honeywell's monitoring service plus remote control and access, and it will send you notifications via email. Very neat systems. Honeywell has been one of the leaders in the alarm industry for years. I'm really excited to be able to present these to you. Go and check them out on our website. You have any questions, give us a call, talk to our tech department, 888-811-0727, and they'll be happy to answer any questions that you have on these systems. They will also help you do some setup, as far as wiring, programming goes. So don't be afraid to take this onto yourself and make it a do-it-yourself project, because you totally can do this with the Honeywell Vista series. My name is John Burrows. I'm with AlarmSystemStore.com. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll be back with more product presentations in the future.